How's it going, everyone? Space Life here. In today's episode I'm going to be showing you how to make one of the best cottage pies, and it is pretty good. So first what you're going to need to do is peel your potatoes. Okay, you want to chop your potatoes pretty small. That way they cook quicker, because it's just for mashed potatoes, so you don't have to worry. Okay, so I'm going to put the potatoes on the boil now. I'll see you in a minute. Now it's time for your filling. So we're going to start by getting the vegetables prepped for the filling. I'll show you a good way to cut an onion. Always makes it a little bit easier to peel when you do it that way. Now you're going to dice the onions. It's pretty simple, just cut this way. And you just go straight down. Now for the garlic. And now for your carrot. Just got to peel it first. Ends off of the carrot. And cut it into quarters. You get some small chunks of carrot in there. Okay, so now you've got your vegetables prepped, we're going to get our beef cooking. And I've got a good technique to show you about that. You want to add a little bit of oil to your beef. It definitely helps with the browning off. You want it on a medium heat. It'll take about 10-15 minutes. You can tell the mince is sounding a lot different now. It actually sounds like it's frying rather than boiling, and that's exactly what you're after. The thing is, when you brown your mince off properly, that's where all the flavour comes from, and then you can get your onions and garlic ready. And that will fry off nicely as well. The onions and garlic will sweat off with the beef, adding to all that flavour. That'll probably take another 2 minutes before you want to add in your carrots. And whilst this is cooking, you can prepare your gravy mix to go in with this, with the stock cube and the gravy granules. So we've got a gravy in here, and now you want to add the stock cube before you put the boiling water in. So 400 ml of water in there. It's time to add your carrots. Now you want to sweat these off with all the onions and beef. All that flavour just makes it so much better. A lot of people will do this, they'll put everything in and then they'll add the gravy straight away. That's not what you want to do, you want all the flavour to come out of the beef. You can even tell how much better that looks. It smells amazing already. So once the carrots are in, give them about 2 minutes and then you're ready to add your gravy. You can literally put it all in at this point. You can hear that sound. That's when you know it's deglazing the pan, getting all the flavour from the beef. Now you want to cook it off like this for a good 10-15 minutes before it's going to be ready for your cottage pie. I'm not sure if you can hear that rain, we're in the middle of a little storm. The birds are going crazy. We're not long from putting it in the oven now, so it's time to add your peas. Probably only take another 2 or 3 minutes and then it's ready to go. Once you've added your peas, Time to add in some of your yeast extract. This stuff gives it a really beefy flavour. It adds so much flavour to this. About a teaspoon you add your Leon Perrins Worcester sauce. This stuff is amazing as well with mint. Probably want to add about a tablespoon of this. Okay, so now your potatoes are ready. Try to add a nice bit of butter. Then you want to add your salt and your pepper. It's looking amazing. I'm going to get that straight in. So everything's ready to go now. It's always a good time when you're cooking. You can see there's still a little bit of sauce in there as well, so we won't be needing gravy today. Now a good technique is to put this on little separate bits. If you put it all in one go, sometimes it might sink. You don't want that. Now this is where the fork comes in handy. You can see what I'm doing with the fork here. That will help the potato crisp up really nicely. Golden brown hopefully. Then it's ready to go in the oven. Gas mark 7. It'll be ready to go in about 20 minutes, half an hour. And that gets nice and golden brown. Look at that, it's looking pretty good. You can see where we used the fork. It's made that crispy topping. So there you have it guys. Traditional English cottage pie. Hope you like this recipe, it does taste amazing. I've made loads of them in my lifetime. So I'll see you in the next episode. Bye.